Yoga poses for relieving cervical pain.
Enjoy the video. If you like it, then don't forget to like and share. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe. Write in the comments and tell us what you think about this video.
Long working hours are increasing cervical pain. Working continuously while sitting at one place 4 hours increases cramps in the muscles of the body. Due to this, stiffness increases everywhere from neck to waist, which starts causing cervical pain. This spinal pain is also called cervical. Due to this, body productivity along with body posture gets affected. Due to increasing tension on the nerves of the neck, this problem starts becoming serious day by day. Apart from painkillers and hot and cold therapy, some easy yoga asanas can solve this problem. Let us know those 5 yoga asanas which will provide relief from cervical pain.
1. Kati Chakrasana standing spinal twist, along with strengthening the legs. This yoga asana also keeps the spine away from the problem of pain with its regular practice. Flexibility increases and frequent back pain reduces. Practicing it regularly boosts metabolism and provides relief from constipation. For detailed information about this yoga asana, click on the I button.
Learn the method of doing Kati Chakrasana. Stand straight on the mat and keep a distance between both the feet. Now straighten both the arms. Straighten the arms from the elbows, and now slowly rotate the arms to the right. Take your neck to the right and look towards the right shoulder. Take a deep breath and exhale. Then bring both the arms in front, and now take the arms to the left. While doing the yoga process, keep your attention focused on the breath. By doing this yoga asana, the liver and digestive system becomes stronger. By doing this daily, the spine also starts getting stronger. 2.
Asta Uttanasana raised arm pose. Back pain caused by sitting on a chair all day starts becoming a hindrance in work. In such a situation, practice this yoga asana to relieve back pain. Due to this, the increasing cramps in the muscles start reducing. It also provides relief from foot pain. For detailed information about this yoga asana, click on the I button.
Learn the method of doing Asta Uttanasana. To do this yoga asana, stand straight on the mat. Now make a gap between both the legs. Keep the body straight and raise both the arms upwards and take them above the head. Now cross the fingers of both hands together. After this, move the neck backwards. Pull both the arms backwards also. Try to move your waist backwards as far as possible. Take a deep breath and exhale. Come back after remaining in this posture for 30 seconds. Leave the body loose and stand straight.
3. Dhanurasana bow pose. To remove increasing cramps in the body, practice this yoga asana regularly. This reduces the stiffness that increases in legs, hips and thighs. Along with this, relief from cervical pain also starts. Stretching of the abdominal muscles increases and back pain is relieved. For detailed information about this yoga asana, click on the I button.
Learn the method of doing Dhanurasana. To do this yoga asana, lie down on the mat on your stomach. Now straighten both the knees. Touch the feet to the ground. Now lift the neck upwards and bend both the legs at the knees. Lift both legs upward from behind. After this, hold the toes of the feet with both the arms. Take deep breaths and exhale during yoga. Sit in this posture as long as possible. After that, leave the body loose and keep the mind relaxed. By doing this, the lower abdominal muscles also get stretched, which proves helpful in weight loss.
For Tadasana mountain pose. Practice of Tadasana is essential to increase stamina and remove the spasm of neck muscles. Due to this, the increasing fatigue in the body starts going away. For detailed information about this yoga asana, click on the I button.
Learn the method of doing Tadasana. To do this yoga asana, stand straight on the mat and take deep breaths. Now lift both the heels upwards and stand on the toes. Slowly move your arms upward and make a Namaskar posture to maintain the balance of the body. This yoga asana can also be done by taking the support of the wall.
5. Bhujangasana Cobra Pose. Bhujangasana is an asana which comes at number 7 among the 12 asanas of Surya Namaskar. In Bhujangasana, Bhujanga means snake and asana means yoga posture. While doing this asana, The shape of the body becomes like a snake with its hood spread. Hence it has been given this name. For detailed information about this yoga asana, click on the I button.
Know what is the method of doing Bhujangasana? Lie down on the ground on your stomach. Keep both your palms facing the ground near the thighs. Now put your body weight on your palms. Inhale and lift your head and pull it towards the back. Note that till now your elbow is bent. Keep the body in this position for about 15 to 30 seconds and maintain a normal breathing rate. To release this pose, slowly bring your hands back to the sides. Rest your head on the floor. Keep your hands below your head.